Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. This is a special day here in the kitchen lab kitchen, something like that. But I'll get to that in a moment. After battling ants again, I hate bugs, especially ants. All right. The Culinary Expedition was in Saudi Arabia, and I prepared Arabian stew, a vegetarian version. It's good. I would like to try a meat version, preferably with like beef, but camel would be fun if I could find camel. It was good. The prep is really very basic and simple. But you have to have a little bit of time because you want to salt the eggplant and let it do its thing at least an hour or more. All right, try it. I'll get the recipe up. Today is going to be very different. I'm calling this a culinary expedition day, but I'm not leaving the country. Huh? All right, this is the special. I have been working with an independent filmmaker out of Chico, California for the last few months. We connected by she contacted me because she needed help with some lighting. If you don't know, in my previous life, and I still sort of am, I'm a lighting guy. Yeah, I'm a lighting designer and in live and theater, and a gaffer in film. So as you know, I do a lot of my own stuff. All right. So we're doing. Actually, she is filming me. This is not a lot. This is to be produced for airing later. We're doing a Native American dish called Three Sisters Stew. I'm going to post up some history on this, but basically it's a traditional meal that highlights three particular ingredients. And I want to get it right. Corn, beans, and squash. Apparently, when they're grown together or nearby, they help each other out. That's the very short version of it. So I have nothing to show you other than a clean kitchen. Because it's definitely clean now. All right. But because she is bringing all of the ingredients. So yeah, we've been working on this for a couple months. I've kept a secret from you all. I've been looking forward to it. So we're going to turn the Casual Chef's Kitchen into a studio, which I've done before, and we're going to film everything from prep, cooking, the whole smash. Again, that's Three Sisters Stew. Yeah. All right. So on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.